Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick monochromatic effect on player renders. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to click on this little half circle on the bottom left with the little half black, half white circle. And then you're going to want to click on hue and saturation. Now, once you do that, you're going to make sure you want to click on the white little layer panel. And then click on this little finger with the left and right arrow on it. Make sure it's selected on master. And then you're going to want to select the skin tone of Neymar. For me, that's Neymar in this example. But you could obviously do it with any player. And you're going to want to select his skin tone. And then once you do that, you're just going to want to turn the saturation down. And once it goes to -100, it's gonna look something like this. Something like this would look really clean on, like, if you're going for something just with not too many colors in it. You want to stick to just a few colors. It looks really nice. The only issue is sometimes it does take out like the reds from the jersey and stuff like that. But what you can do to reverse that is, here, let me show you real quick. Let me make sure to turn the brush size down. Oh, that did the complete opposite. There you go. So right now it looks like this, right? So we have all of him just like, you know, blue and white right now. If you do want the red on his jersey back or whatever, just make sure you select it on black, and then you're just gonna recolor in that jersey part that was discolored. So there you go. There's the red part. Now, depending on how complicated jerseys are, it all depends on the sport. It could take longer, but since the PSG jersey is pretty simple, or just their kit in general is pretty simple, you can just do that. Color that inside part, and then basically you're all done here. Yeah, so then that's the whole inside part. There's one part missed right there. That would be pretty much it for the little monochromatic effect. Obviously, you could do this with a bunch of other players. You could even like color in their cleats if you wanted to, or boots. So you could do something like that and just have just their skin tone as the -100. And then, so basically, they're just like black and white. This is also a really clean way to do the black and white effect too on people. So like if you're doing that for photos and you could also do and stuff, you could also do this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial, guys. It is a really simple one. I just thought I would give you guys a quick little tutorial here. I did see this on Twitter a little while back, so I will try to find that tweet and link it in the description down below. And then, yeah, just to give that person a little credit, because I did see this a while back and it really has helped with a few of my designs. So I'll be sure to link that down below, give that person some credit. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other suggestions for any other tutorials that you would like to see, please leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.